Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Ang Pilipinas at US magsasagawa ho ng joint war games sa gitna ng tumataas na tensyon sa South China Sea. Magsasagawa po ang Armed Forces of the Philippines ng joint exercises. Kasama po ang daang-daang sundalo ng Estados Unidos sa susunod na 2 linggo. Inihayag ito ni AFP Chief Lieutenant General Cirilito Sobihana sa gitna ho ng tumataas na tensyon sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at China sa South China Sea. Sinabi po ni Sobihana na mas simple ang gagawing war games ngayong taon dahil po sa umiiral na krisis pangkalusugan. Ipinunto ng opisyal na wala pa sa kalahati ng nakasanayan nilang attendance sa war games ang bilang po ng mga lalahok na kabibilangan ng 700 sundalo ng Amerika at 1,300 miyembro naman ng Philippine military. Magiging hybrid ang virtual at pisikal na mga aktibidad ng war games. Sa kabila ho ng simpleng exercises na gagawin ng US at Pilipinas, ay layo nito na panatilihing matatag ang alyansa ng dalawang armed forces. Matatandaan mga kabrigada na nakansela ang taunang war games noong 2020 dahil po sa COVID-19.
Gusto ninyong girahin natin? Sino bang gustong na ano? Kasi payag ako. I can declare war on China tonight. But sino ang magpunta? Sundalo ko? Pulis ko? Mamatay lang lahat yan? Sinabi nung, why will I go to war or a battle that I cannot win? Para akong gago. And of course, I said, you have to take into account, but I would take a longer time to do that. Pero kung busy ako ngayon, I will discuss with you geopolitics. And why I allow things to just stay there. Di mo na rin mapaalis. Bakit maawain? Sabi ko nga noon, may overflights na, may satellite, nasa newspaper, nandoon na may nag-reclaim na sila. And that arbitration came during the time of Aquino. He filed it. There was sufficient time for him to stop. Siya yung nagdemanda eh. Bakit hindi sila pumunta doon? Bakit hintayin ninyo ako ngayon? Na kung magkagera, maubos naman ang mga sundalo ko pati polis. Of course, mamatayan sila, but we will lose the battle. I am 100% of it. They are just about from the mainland, it's about 14 minutes to reach the magsasabog dyan lahat. Of course, we can equal the intensity, but are we ready to go to war? At yung ano, bakit hindi pumunta yung Amerika? Sabi nga ni Noyes press statement, only America can stop it. O di bakit niya sinabi ng Amerika, pumunta ka doon? Dalhin mo yung aircraft carrier mo, dalhin mo yung cruise missiles mo, dalhin mo yung mga battleships mo, at parahin mo. Ngayon, walang ginawa ang Amerika. So that the Chinese made a garrison out of those rocks there under the reclaimed area. Ngayon gusto nila ako ang you know, during the bilateral, in front of my cabinet, all of them, and Lorenzana, and the military, and you, sinabi ko kay Xi Jinping, ito bilateral to ha, I want to go to my territory and dig oil. Yan, diretso ako, wala na yung sabi mo, assert, sabi ko, I will dig oil in my own territory. What was the reply of President Xi? Yeah, we just restored normalcy. Not be good for us to be talking for, conflict. Hindi pag-usapan na lang natin at some other time. Let us repair the relationship which Aquino destroyed. And talk sense, because we will never also talk to him. That's why walang nagawa ng panahon niya. And sabi niya, well, someday, Then I said, in front of my entire committee, I said, but during my term, I will insist and mention arbitral ruling. Sabi niya, okay lang, pero wag ngayon. Because if you do that, there will be trouble. So if you are Chinese, what do you mean by there will be trouble? There will be war. So sino yung mga gustong pumunta doon ngayon? Okay man ako. We will declare war against China. Provided yung mga ugok, yung maingay, mauna sila. Nandyan ako sa likod nila. Pagdating doon, iwanan ko sila. Bahala kayo. Kayo gusto magipag-away. When all has been said and done, baski anong klaseng ikot mo, we return down to the basic issue of sovereignty. Ano owns the place, the space? Hindi lang nila alam, at hindi ko na rin sinabi sa inyo, at yung dalawa nandyan, about for cabinet meeting, sinabi ko talaga harap-harapan, that is ours, and we intend to drill oil there. Mula nang palaboy-laboy. If it's yours, well, that is your view, but my view is that I can drill the oil if there is some inside the bowels of the earth because it is ours. Sagot sa akin, well, we are friends. We do not want to quarrel with you, according to China. We want to maintain the present warm relationship. But if you force the issue, we'll go to war. Ano pa bang sabihin ko? Yun na yun. Pinag-awayan natin. Akin to. Sabi mo, iyo yan. Sabi ko, atin to, I will drill the oil. Sabi mo, please do not do that. Because that is ours. That is according to you. But I have the arbitral, yes, but ours is historical, yours is legal, of recent memory. I mean, mga Ming dynasty pa. Because, but that's too far away. It's almost an alien to us to hear those words because we were never under Chinese jurisdiction. Well, I mean, well, if you force the issue, we'll be forced to tell you the truth. What is the truth? We will go to war. We will fight you. Tanungin ninyo si Esperon, tanungin ninyo si Lorenzana. Wala nang sabi nila na you seek. So we seek the help of America, a concerted effort of all the member states of the United Nations. Are they willing to fight? Because if they're willing to fight, we are. But kung ako lang, why would I do that? It will result in a massacre. And it will just destroy everything. Ang unang sasabog dyan, yung Palawan. Kung sabihin nila wala akong ginawa sa China, I said you can ask the two generals, the National Security Advisors, Esperon and Lorenzana. Sinabi ko talaga, that's ours. I'd like you to listen for a while. And I said, Mr. Xi Jinping, I would insist that that is ours. And I will drill oil there. Harap-harapan talaga. Sinabi ni Ramon de Rosario, we will have to use diplomacy. For what? Me going around gathering signatures? Would you think that the rest of the world and even America would die for us? On China, sabi niya, if we remain friends, sabi niya, we will talk about the arbitral ruling. But it cannot be now. You know why? Hindi lang ikaw kasi ang nakiklaim eh. Vietnam is also a virulent claimant. Ano sabi niya, if you do that, lahat ng claimants magpuntahan dyan. So we have to declare war because we will be fighting in all fronts. Yan ang sinabi niya. We will talk about it. Oil, there is oil. We can discuss it. Wag mo na ngayon kasi magulo. But we're willing to help you.